I hate it when you and Selma fight.
Me too. I also hate it when they agree.
Homer, please be nice. Patty's our guest.
For how long? Where's she gonna sleep?
On our couch.
That's where we do our couch gags. See?
Oh, fine. She'll stay with the baby. Well, Magster, it looks like you and I are going to be cellmates. Nature! Shoo! Shoo! I've got a hot curling iron! Hold this!
Well, Marge, the kids are all asleep and the dog's been walked. There's only one thing left to do. Brrr.
Did you turn the security alarm on?
It's still broken.
Oh, well then come here, you.
What the hell was that?
It's just my sister snoring. She has a very fatty septum. But it doesn't have to ruin our fun. Time for Betty Bye. Now don't sleep on your stomach. Or is it your back? Can never remember. Whichever is the comfortable one, don't do that.